Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhawre Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is abstraction in Java. So, firstly, what is meant by abstraction? Abstraction is a Java mechanism which is used to achieve the abstraction, and abstraction class is always declared with the abstract keyword and inherited with the extend keyword. So abstraction class is used to hide the implementation detail from end user and outside the user. It maintains the security for many application bank like mobile. We can use the abstraction through by coding, and I have real time examples of abstraction. Firstly, one example, take a ATM class that have many activity we can do it. So first, display the ATM machine. We have many choice. Suppose what is mean sorry suppose withdrawal, deposit money, saving account, current account. We can choose any account. Suppose we withdraw the some money, then we can touch the withdrawal button, and our money get outside. So we have see only outside the process. Suppose like press the button and get the money quickly, but we not know what process going inside the ATM machine. That's called is abstraction. Another example of abstraction is suppose bike have many facility and many features. We only know where is the clutch, where is the brake, we how many gear present in the bike, and what are doing in with bike. But we not know what process going inside the bike machines. That is also examples of abstraction. Abstraction have only method, and that method should enclose with the semicolon. Abstraction have two type of variable. First one is abstract variable and non-abstract variable, and then abstraction is abstraction code. It generates the code high level code. It avoid the low level code, write a low level code. It provide the reusability and security to us. And then abstract class, with the help of abstract class we can also create the interface class. Interface is a collection of all type of abstraction methods, and then what is meant by interface? So interface is also achieve the abstraction method and abstraction, and it is provide us to 100% abstraction. And in the abstract abstraction, we can create many abstract we can create a abstract class, but we cannot create the abstract class object. So we can access, if we can access this abstract class, then we create this their child class, and then throughout the child class we can easily access the abstract class object. Then I have a difference between abstraction and interface. So abstraction declare with the abstract method, and uh, interface classes are declared with the help of interface keyword. uh, Abstract class does not support multiple inheritance, and interface support multiple inheritance. Abstract class is process is very slow as compared as interface, and interface process is very slow fast as compared as abstraction class. And then we can in that abstraction class we can inherit uh, abstract class with the extend keyword, and in the interface we can inherit subclass with the help of implement keyword. And then abstract class have final or final methods and not non-final methods, and interface have only final method. So that's why we cannot change its value or method. We as it is write the code inside the interface class. That is all about abstraction. Thank you.